Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay, today we are going to the evaluation. I will evaluate from the LP, the lesson plan that you have made for this week. Alright, I see here for the Sanskrit. Can you explain the Sanskrit that you teach for this week?
Okay, for this week we have Unit 2 about at, and egg. Egg, wake, rack, tag, and back. For at, fat, mat, rat. And for and fan, that one man and cat. Fan gitu saja.
Oh, fan?
Fan,
Oh, yeah. And then
can and man.
can and man. Alright.
Like that.
Okay, for the little steps, I see here that the topic is still about clothes. Yes. So,
Yes.
what did you teach again? You review.
Just review.
So
I
what
just
did you
ask
review?
student about the checkpoint question. I ask them together, and then after I ask them together, I ask them one by one about the checkpoint question from the LP.
So what
about
did
the
you
clothes.
ask?
About what clothes do we wear? For example, like this. Can you mention the clothes that you wear? What the clothes that you wear on the rainy? When the weather is rainy, what do you wear? Okay, and then they will ask like this. They will answer like this. We wear raincoat when the rainy weather come.
Only that, the question.
There are some questions, but I just ask about the kinds of the clothes for this week.
For this week. Because only review, yeah?
Yes, only a few.
Okay, we move to Pictionary here. Pictionary English. What is coconut?
Coconut is a brand of fruit that has milk inside. Coconut grows a tall tree. We can drink and eat. We can drink milk and eat the white part. The white part.
Compass?
What means
Compass.
compass? Compass is a tool that show the direction. Okay. Compass can
How can
help
it
us.
help? How can it help us?
Can help us to show the direction about the south, west, east, and the others. For example, when you want to go to somewhere,
How can we see that?
we see from the compass where the based on the wind. Sorry, miss. Wind.
I mean, which part inside the compass that
There's the needle to the point that north.
Oh, the needle, yeah. Okay. Computer?
Computer is a good machine that can help us to play the game or help us to do our job. You can play video. You can play game or see the video from the computer.
Cow.
Cow is a big animal farms that gives up milk. Cows are gentle and eat grass. From the cow, we can take the milk, and the sounds of the cow like moo, like that.
Cooking?
Cooking is a cook by heating it. Cooking is fun. You can mix ingredients to make food become yummy food or the other. For example, you can help your mommy to cook cake or cook the other, like spaghetti or chicken and dinner.
Clock.
Clocks is a tool that show the time. Clocks have numbers and hands to move it. That move it. Clock can help us how about the time. We can know from the clock what time we eat, what time we sleep, what time we play, and the other.
Okay. Carton.
Cartoon is a box made of card box.
Card
Cartoon,
box.
yes, card box. A carton give safe things like juice or milk. A carton can easily to carry, or sometimes can be colorful. If you want to keep something or the other,
Can we recycle that?
Yes, we can recycle it after we use it.
Cans.
Cans is wait, miss. Cans is a metal container for food and drinks. Cans hold like yummy food like juice, like soda or soup. Okay, they are shiny and can be stuck. We can open by tin opener.
Cat.
Cat is a furry pet that first. Cat are playful and love to chase the toys. And then sometimes some of the cats can climb on the left or the other.
Right, Rainbow Science. What can living things do?
Living things can grow and move.
What do living things need to stay alive?
Living things need water, air, and food to stay alive.
Did you explain about living things, Rishida?
Living things like people, animals, and plants. Living things can move, but we need water, food for for stay our life.
So did you differentiate between living things and non-living things?
Living things can move and grow, but non-living things cannot stay. It cannot move or grow if we touch.
Did you give more examples?
Or like this. Living things like us, right? Like animals can grow by ourselves, but like these living things like bottle or bag, if we don't touch this one, this bottle cannot move or cannot grow all the others. Just stay like this.
Oke, SP Bahasa. Topiknya masih sama juga ya, SP Bahasa ya, tentang rekreasi. Bagaimana Miss mereview ini kemudian?
Mereview SP Bahasa menanyakan tentang bentuk-bentuk dari bentuk-bentuk dan macam-macam warna. Forget what SP Bahasa. Sorry.
Bentuk-bentuk warna.
Bentuk-bentuk dan jenis-jenis warna ya.
Coba jelaskan.
Bentuk-bentuk seperti bentuk segitiga, persegi, lingkaran. Kalau macam-macam warna merah, kuning, hijau, biru dan lain-lain.
Warna kuning, hijau, langit yang biru begitu.
Seperti apa warna matahari? Warna matahari kuning. Apa warna daun? Warna daun kuning. Hijau.
Miss baca lagi ya.
Yes, Miss.
Beda ini Miss dengan
Okay.
LP yang Miss buat. Oke, SP Science. Apa yang Miss review di minggu ini? untuk ASP Sains.
SP Sains tentang macam-macam bentuk dan warna.
Macam-macam apa?
Bentuk dan warna, right?
Coba.
Ya, seperti bertanya seperti
Sama topiknya berarti.
yes, Miss, relate.
Jadi yang buat mereka berbeda apa? Kalau topiknya sama.
Kalau bahasa itu seperti benda, kalau misalnya SP Sains itu bentuk yang seperti kayak di alam kayak daun gitu. Gitu sih.
Daun.
Pertanyaan checkpoint Miss apa, Miss? ASP berhitung baru
Point questionnya beda loh, Miss.
berapa jumlahnya?
Di sini dibuat hanya mereview tentang ASP Sains dari homework tanggal 6 sampai 17
Oh iya,
Januari.
checkpoint dari review dari
sangat berbeda ya dengan LP ya. Oke. Coba kita masuk ke Pictionary bahasa. Apa itu kelapa?
Kelapa, buah yang berbentuk bulat, yang berkulit keras, yang di dalamnya ada air, dan dagingnya bisa kita makan.
Penjelasan tambahannya?
Kelapa memiliki air di dalamnya dan daging di dalam buahnya yang berwarna putih. Contohnya, kamu pergi ke pantai, kamu minum air kelapa. Kartun jenis animasi yang bergerak di televisi yang bisa kamu lihat ceritanya.
Tunggu.
Contohnya itu yang kamu
Di bahasa Indonesia buat
different, right?
kartun. Kenapa berbeda?
Literasi Monica, Miss.
Ya tapi harus dilihat lah, Miss, perbedaannya, Miss. Masa hanya itu dipindahkan semua?
That's why, Miss, it's not my part. That I have
mean,
told
why
to
don't
them.
you discuss?
We have told to the other each other, right? You must see. This is must. That one, what is that?
Ya
Harus
kan
sama.
kalian misalnya kan sama-sama LP kalian kan sama gitu loh. Jadi kalau salah satu
Harus linear kan?
Salah semua gitu, harus linear memang. Karena apa yang Miss ajarkan di kelas nanti itu yang diajarkan guru lain kan?
Yes.
Seperti kartun inilah.
Sedangkan di bahasa Indonesia karton. In English kartun. Karton, right?
Yes.
Box, right? And then this is cartoon animal. About the film or the album.
Udah adik lainnya. Kalian perbaiki ya, Miss. Kartun. Kaleng. Apa kaleng?
Kaleng. Bentuk yang berbentuk sebuah tempat yang berbentuk silinder yang terbuat dari logam. Contohnya tempat untuk menyimpan makanan dan minuman agar tetap awet.
Contohnya bagaimana itu, Miss?
Contohnya kamu membeli minuman kaleng dan kemudian kamu buka tutupnya dengan alat pembuka botol. Tapi di sana coba kamu bayangkan kamu mempunyai berbagai macam kaleng yang dimana isinya memiliki beberapa macam jenis makanan yang kamu inginkan.
Kompas,
alat yang menunjukkan arah mana barat, timur, utara, selatan. Kompas, penjelasan tambahannya, kompas kita menggunakan kompas untuk ketika kamu berjalan, kamu menggunakan kompas untuk menunjukkan arah perjalanan kamu. Contohnya, kamu sebagai penjelajah membawa kompas dan menggunakan kompas dengan fungsinya untuk mencari harta karun. Seperti mencari harta karun, kamu bisa menggunakan kompas. Sapi hewan yang bertubuh besar yang biasanya berwarna coklat, hitam, dan putih. Sapi biasanya memberikan kita susu yang biasa kita minum. Contohnya, kamu pergi ke peternakan, Dan kamu bisa melihat sapi sedang memakan rumput yang diberikan oleh peternak.
Memasak.
Memasak, pengolahan makanan dengan menggunakan berbagai macam olahan makanan, bahan-bahan makanan. Contohnya ketika kamu memasak, kamu mencampur macam-macam bahan makanan sehingga membuat makanan menjadi lezat. Contohnya kamu membantu ibu kamu di dapur untuk membuat kue ataupun yang lainnya.
Right, I think that's enough for the evaluation for today. But unfortunately, I say to you, Miss, you still need to repeat again for the ASP Bahasa, ASP Science, and then for next time, I hope that I will not see like this anymore for the cartoon and cartoon.
But
It
it's
will be
only-
changed.
But only ISP,
Yes, ASP Bahasa, ASP Science.
only that one.
And then the Pictionary, I want it will be changed because I don't want it's different, Miss.
Miss, it is not
Between Pictionary English and Pictionary Bahasa.
Miss, repeat lah Miss.
No, you should discuss this first, Miss. Yeah,
They are dictionary.
the Pictionary.
We have told each other, Miss, but they do mistake
then,
again.
yeah,
so how
you-
can only Miss later?
You should change it with others, of course.
So another teacher will repeat again like that. How can?
No, if they can explain them, I don't want to see like that anymore.
I have told to them, Miss. That's why it's not my fault that they were.
Don't say that.
Yeah, but-
this is your LP. It means that the others LP as well, even though it's not your part to do that.
Yes, but because of that, I get repeat again like that.
Yes, ISP Bahasa, ISP Science also you didn't remember. You
But
check
checkpoint.
Yeah, checkpoint questions. Yeah. So please,
It's get penalty, that's why.
I think that's all, Miss. Thank you, Miss. Yeah.
Miss, it's ISP.